Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you how to change your password in the Duolingo app. Whether you want to update your password for security reasons or simply forgot the old one and need to reset it, this video will make the process clear. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, on the top right, tap on the settings icon. Then, within the settings menu, find and select the profile option. After that, look for the option labeled Password and select it. You will be asked to enter your current password to confirm your identity. Next, you will need to enter your new password. Make sure it is strong and something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Finally, once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Save button to update your password. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep your account information protected.